We'll get you up there.
Yes, I did.
No, there's no way to turn around in there.
Get that young, strong kid back there. He'll pick you right up.
A
few times.
How fast they get up on a quarter mile like that?
You only get about 95 on the straightaway,
95?
but you still do 50, 55 around the turn.
Oh, that's good enough. That's good enough.
Put your arm around my shoulder.
Put your one around him, one around me. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
All right, now just sit on the edge
Sit right there.
Just
You're gonna
sit
sit
right on
there,
the
you're
edge.
gonna rest your left hand on top of the helmet for me.
Yeah.
Let me take this thing off. There you go, look at that. There you go. All right, 1, 2, and 3. Perfect.
Slide back as far as you can.
Okay, now that was the easy part. It's when we got to get out. That's the hard
That
part.
might be different.
Ain't no big deal. We got Cody here.
so squishy, so you go ahead and put her.
Cody will drag you right out of here.
Yeah.
That boy got super strength.
I think his dad must be Superman or something.
You might want to just wait a couple minutes to put that on.
Yeah.
You know how to do it? It's like just like a motorcycle helmet, how the strap goes.
Yeah, you flip it through.
Yeah, through
through
one
and
and over the other.
Yeah.
You don't worry
We don't
about
use those, yeah.
Okay.
Those are for on that side. That way here we don't have to get so hot yet.
You just had a regular ride with the video, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you like that Jeff Gordon commercial.
That won't be that bad.
Just remember any of that? The video. It'll be on there. The microphone on this thing is very sensitive. I don't know. It'll pick people up talking over there.
Oh,
So
there's a camera right there. Huh?
yeah, the microphone's stuffed up here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
This guy here has got a radio problem. They're going to send him back out. They got to send that guy back out.
Probably wants
Hey,
to.
Brent, how many more laps do you got to do? Okay. All right, you go ahead and start putting your helmet on then.
Get all set up. Be done.
Lost the strap. There you go. You got the one on the other side now?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
Get it?
Get it.
Just try to tilt your head back if you can.
All right, we'll be out there in just a few minutes.
Yeah, it's fine. I mean, just depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for like super speed, go to the bigger track here. If You feel a lot more G's than the big track just because I'm throwing the car around.
So how was that?
That was awesome. Ooh.